Welcome to AK Cars Drive, the destination where style meets history, where horsepower meets heritage, and where we bring you the finest visuals of classic and modern vehicles in premium settings. Today, we're diving into a masterpiece of design and nostalgia, a meticulously restored vintage Ford pickup truck from the 1950s, set against the backdrop of a high-end, luxurious showroom. But this isn't just a walk-around, this is a front-row experience, a moment captured from the most cinematic perspective, the straight front view. Now, take a deep breath, sit back, and imagine it, a wide, sleek, and contemporary showroom, polished to perfection. In the center, commanding attention like a legend returned to life, is the heart of today's feature, a white 1950s Ford pickup. The way it sits there, proud and refined, is enough to turn any car lover's head. From its wide chrome grille to its robust off-road tires, every inch tells a story of American craftsmanship, raw durability, and timeless beauty. The visual impact. Let's start with the setting, because the backdrop of a classic makes all the difference. This showroom is not your average dealership space. No clutter, no chaos, just elegance. Marble floors stretch across the hall, polished to a mirror-like finish. Every tile reflects the clean lines and bold presence of the truck. Tall glass walls invite sunlight in, blending the natural warmth with cool architectural finesse. The lighting, subtle, ambient, and precisely placed, doesn't just illuminate the truck, it highlights its form. From the shimmer of the chrome to the curves of the bodywork, every angle comes alive under the showroom lights. And then, the centerpiece. A glowing blue Ford logo mounted on the wall behind the truck. It's not just a brand symbol, here, it's a beacon. A declaration of identity. It glows softly, casting a cool aura that contrasts beautifully with the warm tone of the white truck in front of it. The branding is minimal yet powerful, a nod to legacy without stealing attention from the vehicle itself. The truck, a legacy restored. Now let's talk about the truck itself, a vintage 1950s Ford pickup. These machines were built during a time when vehicles weren't just about getting from point A to B. They were built tough, designed to last, and made to be part of your life, through every road trip, every job site, every memory. But this one, it's been reborn. Its white paint gleams with a modern gloss, bringing out the crisp body lines that define the era. You can still feel the retro vibes, the rounded fenders, the slightly arched hood, the prominent, unmistakable grille. But everything has been polished, perfected, and presented like a piece of art. The chrome detailing is flawless, from the bumper to the side mirrors. The round headlights are clear and bright, with a touch of vintage warmth that LED lights just can't replicate. The tires are bold, large, off-road beasts that give the truck a slightly lifted stance. They hint at capability, strength, and adventure. It's a combination of beauty and brawn. This isn't just a showpiece, it looks like it could still conquer dirt trails, even as it stands in a marble-clad hall. The front view, a cinematic angle. Now let's focus on the most powerful element of this presentation, the straight front view. This perspective is no accident. It's cinematic, it's symmetrical, it's commanding.